everybody, I'm Miranda Stevens with eXp Realty, and I'm sure you've heard the saying, kitchens and bathrooms sell homes. Well, that couldn't be any more true. Case in point, my client's beautiful kitchen here in Baltimore County. Now, when I first met with them, this kitchen was nice. It was great for, making Sunday dinner and apple pies, but not for making money. So I told them, hey, whatever you do, you have to change out the countertops. They were like the outdated block tiles. They were brown. It just wasn't doing anything for the room. It actually made it dark. So I said, hey, we need to switch it out and get like a light stone, make it light and bright. And that's what they did. They got this beautiful granite counters, and they were wondering if they should also change out the backsplash. And I said, no, you don't need to do that, because number one, the buyers may not like what you choose. And two, they probably want to put their own personal stamp on it. And more importantly, it saves you money. So they left it alone, and it turned out great. Now wait till you see what they did upstairs. And here we are. Welcome to this beautiful spa-like bathroom. I mean, it's amazing. It has stone tile, a jetted tub, and this beautiful dual sink vanity. Now, speaking of this vanity, it wasn't so great when I came. It had seen its better days. But when I met with my clients, I said, we've got to do something about this, because this bathroom and that kitchen is going to sell your home. Now, some people might think, oh, I'll just get a new vanity, but you don't need to do that. I told my clients maybe we should paint it. And as it turned out, we kind of ran out of time. So what they did was we just got one of these little $5 touch-up paint cans, and they cleaned it up, did a little touch-up paint, and switched out the hardware to something sexier and nice, And voila, it's a gorgeous bathroom. Added a little bit of staging, and it really paid off, because this house got over 30 showings, 5 offers in 2 days, and guess what? It sold for $20,000 over the original list price. I mean, that's pretty good. What would you do with an extra 20 grand? Too many times I see sellers making all of these updates and changes to the home without talking to a realtor first, and then they don't get the return on their investment. So before you do that, call me. Let's talk so I can help you save money so you can make money. But guys, this bathroom, it's starting to make me feel really zen. So before I get back to the grind, I think I'm gonna just take a moment, maybe light a candle or two. But I'll see y'all later. You have my information.